Now, over the past month or so, I've been looking quite heavily into making money using Instagram as a platform. Now, you may or may not have seen that there are a lot of people making a lot of money on Instagram. And the beauty of Instagram is you don't actually have to create the stuff yourself. But you do need to know what you're doing. And, you can put together your own stuff. You can literally borrow somebody else's stuff. You can use parts of somebody else's stuff. But you do need to know what you're doing. Now, I've just been going through this program, which is called the Affiliate Automation Academy. And I've got to say, guys, I wasn't even sure what to think when I saw this. I thought, I thought I'm going to promote it. This is it's been launched by Ryan and Jono, two guys that I know very well, and I thought, well, I'm going to promote it, but I'm going to be completely honest with you. I thought, I'll take a look at it. I'll log into the members area and see what it's like, but I wasn't expecting anything. All right, I wasn't expecting to be wowed in any way. I was wowed. And I've got to be completely frank with you now, right? It's Sunday evening. It's coming up to 5 o'clock, and I've got to go and make dinner for the family in a minute. If I wasn't making dinner for the family, do you know what I'd be doing? I'd be binging this. I've been going through this training, and this is one of the most exciting things I've seen in a long time. And I'm sure this must be a high-ticket course that they've decided to launch for peanuts on JVZoo. Because this not only is the quality of the training brilliant, but it's laid out in a way that's just super easy to follow, and you can just see how you're going to get results really, really quickly, and you're aching to get to the next step all the time. And also, Ryan says early on in this that this isn't even just one of those quick launches that's pumped out on Warrior Plus and JVZoo that never gets looked at again. They're adding new content to it, regularly, just like a high ticket, but you won't be paying high ticket prices. Now, even if I didn't say another word now, honestly, you just need to get this. You really do. Just get this, go through it, and do what Ryan says. All right. I'm going to show you inside the members area, inside my account, and I'm currently on this lesson, which is lesson number 4, overview of the system. And Ryan is showing me how he does his different posts and reels and stuff, and how he borrows stuff from other people. But what's really interesting about this whole thing is, I think it was in the start here. If we go back to the start here,
that's the
right. So he actually shows us his figures. Let me see. It might be the introduction. On one of these, let me just pause and find it, because he shows us his figures and how much he's earning, and it's just, it's an insane amount of money, and he's actually doing it through what he's teaching in this. He's getting his traffic from Instagram using the strategies that he teaches inside of this, and there's no fluff, there's no BS, there's no fanny. It's straight, guys. It's proper straight stuff. All right, so let me see if I can find that for you. Right, let's move me up. You got Ryan below me there. So look, why should you listen to me? I've personally made $8 million plus online proof. And then he goes through the proof. Now, you know that I've made over $3 million myself. So I know this kind of money can be made. And he goes through his accounts. Just see if I can...
Just so it shows a bit bigger on the screen.
I'll just move this forward a little bit. So on this... If we have a look at this one, so if we just open up this, look, net revenue 2.75 million on this account here, okay, and then if we move forward to another one,
$1 million on this JVZoo account, 311,000.
You can see that the figures are very, very impressive. Now, the other thing as well is that he talks about his Instagram account. So I've been and taken a look at his Instagram account, and he's doing what he's teaching inside the program. I also like the fact that there are 3 pinned posts here. But if we go through to this one, we can see that it was posted 5 days ago. All right. So that means he's still doing what he teaches inside of this. And look, you may not be a fan of Instagram. I don't know. You might be a fan of Instagram. But I tell you what you probably are a fan of, and that's making money. I'm a fan of making money. And if I can actually find a way that works, then I'll be a fan of it regardless of what platform it is. I've said before, all you need is traffic that points to a high converting offer, and then if that is targeted traffic, you're going to get sales and you're going to get commissions. Now all of that is actually taken care of inside of this. You can use your own affiliate links, etc., or you can use, I would imagine that they're going to say you can use one of their affiliate links. He's alluded to it. I've just not got to that yet. Now, as I said, I would binge watch this, and I absolutely am going to. I'm going to get through all of this, and I'm going to apply what Ryan's teaching in here. And I strongly suggest, guys, that you do, because we're talking about, let me just, the sales page, right? I'll tell you why I love the sales page. Why do I love the sales page? Why do you love the sales page, Trev? I love the sales page because there's no fanny on the sales page, right? For a start, he tells you that there's Instagram in here. Now, most sales pages these days, as you probably know, tend to be blind. And they're blind for a reason, right? They're blind because they don't want the people that are buying it to know that it's Facebook or it's Twitter or it's Instagram or it's TikTok, because they think that if the people know that, they won't buy it. But if you do know it, you know what you're getting into, and if you know it works, as I said, it doesn't matter so long as it works, right? And it makes money. Now, this absolutely works, but the other thing is as well, is this is what I love, okay? The sheer simplicity, just 20 minutes per day to run a full business that others spend 40 plus hours on. Upload 4-second videos to Instagram that you don't have to create and collect commissions. Now that is it in a nutshell, and that's why I'm so excited. All right, really, really excited about this. So if you pick this up through me, as always, I'm going to spoil you rotten. I've got a beautiful spoil you bonus bundle. You are going to get all of this. All right, so you're going to get ultimate free traffic. This is how one of our customers with no following made $50,000 in 62 days using free traffic from Facebook. You're going to get 1K a day with YouTube ads masterclass. You're going to get the 100K shortcut, A to Z case study. You're going to get 0 to 124 hours, emergency income kit, an auto high ticket cloaker. There's going to be other bonuses as well that I'm going to add in here, but I've just put this bonus document together for you right now so that I can get this all ready for you to pick up. All right, so make sure you pick it up through me because you've got this beautiful bonus bundle, all instant access. You don't have to claim anything, but more importantly, make sure you pick this up so that you can get inside here and you can start taking this training. And I want you to promise me, all right? I want you to promise that you are going to take the training and you are going to set up your Instagram account and just follow the simple steps that Ryan teaches. Believe me, guys, it's not rocket science. It's not complicated. I've been watching, look, in fact, look, you can see up here, right? Instant viral templates. It's logged out at the moment. Instant viral templates, and other training that I've been watching, just like in the last few days, to learn about Instagram. And then here I am opening up a product that I'm about to promote as an affiliate, only to find that this actually is a shit hot product. It really is. All right, you will not be disappointed. So yeah, I just wanted to get on it and say that, and let you know that this is definitely one for you. All right, as I said, make sure you pick it up through me. You'll get all those instant access bonuses, but there's also going to be other special bonuses from me that I'm adding to that document to make sure that you've got everything you need to be a complete success with this. Okay, so go ahead and do that now. When you're checking out on the checkout page, this is through JVZoo, so you'll see down the bottom it'll show you who the affiliate is, and you're looking for my name, Trevor Carr. If you see that, you know that your bonuses will be ready and waiting for you, and that you are cookie to me, so you're buying through me and you won't miss out. All right, as always, if you've got any questions, then please just reply to the email, comment on my video, do whatever works for you, and I'll be more than happy to help. But I can absolutely tell you, this one is a winner. So don't hesitate, guys. Just go and get it. And I'll speak to you soon. Let's make some money. You take care.